shot a bird. Oh, dude, it's back there. It's back there. Come on, dude. It missed the garage. Come on. Oh, dude, there was a bird standing here. Chase, you're so mean. Where did he go? It like fell back here.
Is it down?
Oh no. Dude, you shot it and it flopped. Dude, he shot the bird. Oh.
Here it is.
Aw, dude. Dude, you need to kill it. That's so mean. Chase, you're mean. No! Dude, you need to beat the crap out of it. It's dying.
Yeah, I shoot in the head.
Dude, shoot it in the head. No. Little birdie. Oh, crap. Oh, crap, birdie, no. It's still alive.
I got it. Yeah, boy.
Dude, it's still alive. Like, it's breathing.
Move. Here we go.
Oh, God. I can't watch, but I'm gonna watch it. I'm not watching on my camera. I'm looking away.
There we go.
Is it dead? Oh crap! Why? Oh crap! It's still alive, Chase. It's moving its head. You need to shoot it again. Oh crap! Oh crap! Chase, you're so mean. Well, I told him to. I didn't think he would actually kill a bird. No! Aw. Oh. It went through its head. And it came
Go
out its mouth.
grab your glove. I'm gonna bring you inside the house. Oh my grandma.
No, I'm not shooting your grandma. Don't shoot your grandma. She's gonna
I
get
am.
pissed at you.
I am.
You stupid idiot. Oh my.
No, it's my house.
He's gonna shoot the other one. Dude, that was so... Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Make sure, actually I didn't really enjoy it, but make sure you guys smash that like button and subscribe to this channel if you're new. Peace out.